Hello everyone, this is A. Mani Sharma and you are watching Solutions for Value-Based Questions, Percentage and its Application Standard 6, and this is the syllabus for DAV Public Schools. Children, now let us see what is given in question number 1. An NGO working for Flood Relief Fund collects a sum of rupees 80,000 from different societies of a locality. 65% of this amount was spent for buying grocery items. Rest of the amount was spent on clothes for the affected people. The flood affected victims are very thankful to the NGO members. Now what you have to calculate? You have to find out what amount was spent on grocery items, and next you have to write any two more ways in which you can help the flood affected victims. Children, first of all, try to understand what is the question. Children, as you all know, flood is common in India. We always come to hear about flood in Orissa, flood in some other parts of our country. So in one of that case, an NGO collected 80,000 rupees from different people of a society. Now, from that amount, 65% of that particular amount, that is 80,000, they have used for grocery items. And the left amount, the rest of the amount which is left after using for grocery items, they have used for clothes, for giving clothes to the affected people. Now, what you need to find out is, you need to find out what amount was spent on grocery, and you have to tell some other ways other than this giving grocery items and clothing, some other ways how one can help the flood affected victims. Children, now let us see the solution. Now, what was the fund collected by the NGO members? The fund collected by the members of NGO was equal to rupees 80,000. Now, what was the amount spent on grocery? It was 65% of rupees 80,000. That will be 65 by 100 into 80,000. So, now see, you are left with 65 into 800. So, see here, 65 into 8 you multiply, you will get 8 5s are 40, 4, 6 8s are 48 and 4, 52. So, you are getting 520, and then here 2 zeros are there. So, put 2 zeros. So, what are you getting? You are getting rupees 52,000. Rupees 52,000. So children, rupees 52,000 was spent on grocery items. This is our answer for the first question. And in the second question, it was asked in how many other ways we can help the people who are affected by flood. Simply, we can supply drinking water also to them, keeping in view their health. And second, we can raise funds to provide dry shelter. Because they are affected with flood, we have to take them to safe place. So we can provide them dry shelter until they return back to their homes. Children, now let us see the second question. During winter season, the Manav Seva Samiti decided to distribute blankets and shawls to some poor people of a locality. Now a total of 150 packets were distributed. 74% of poor people received shawls and the other blankets. So now the poor people were very happy with the shawls and blankets. Now what is your first question? How many blankets were distributed? And the second question is, name two more items that you have donated to any poor person. Now children, let us see the solution to this question. Okay. See here, total number of packets. What were the number of packets given? Total number of packets were equal to 150, isn't it? See, 150 packets were there. So out of 150 packets, 74% of poor people received shawls. But you have to find out how many blankets were distributed. So here you must try to understand 74% people received shawls. Received shawls. That means first of all try to understand this part. 74% people received shawl means out of 100, 74 people received shawls. So out of 100, how many people received blankets? So out of 100, so people receiving blankets will be equal to how much? So number of people receiving blanket out of 100 will be 100 minus 74. So it will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 26, because see 74 plus 26 will give you 100. That means out of 100, 26 people are receiving blanket. That means we can say that 26% of the people received blankets. Now to find out how many blankets were there, what you will do? You will find out 26% of 150. Packets were 150. So this will be 26 by 100 into 150. 0, 0 cancel. 2 5s are and 2 13s are here, and 5 1s are and 5 3s are. So 13 3s are 39. So 39 people received blankets. 39 of the people received blankets. Name 2 more items that you have donated to any poor person. Children, let me tell you, I have donated clothes to many of the poor people. I have also donated books to many of the poor people. So you can also donate toys, sweets, grocery items, or anything which you feel to do so to the poor people to help them.